guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So it's Majame right here again with another video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like and subscribe and share. So we are going to analyze. We are going to do some simple analysis while learning also. So what I always do is I analyze while we learn all together. So make sure you be part of the family by subscribing and share the channel. So what I always tell you guys is that begin from the higher time frame. That is where I always begin my analysis from. So I always begin from 24 hours time frame. So it depends on which type of trader you are. If you are an intraday, a day trader, scalper, so all that. So it depends. Now it's where you choose the right time frame for you to use to analyze your market. So it's why I'm beginning with 24 hours time frame here. Yeah, to me I'm a scalper, but I begin from 24 hours time frame here. So as you learn, guys, subscribe to the channel. Now, what do we do in the daily time frame, which is 24 hours? In the 24 hours time frame, we simply look for the directional bias of the market, of which we are going to see here all together. So, firstly, you have to identify your zones. We are seeing this area here. So let me just use this to mark it out so that you guys can see clearly. So that is our zone, an important zone that we are seeing here. It respected it, came, broke and retested, and we are seeing a retest also above it. So what does this mean? This means we are simply at a strong zone. Yes, we have minor and the major zones. So this is our strong zone. We term it strong zone. We have weak zones also. So that is it. The opposite of weak, opposite of strong. So all that. Yes. So after us finding this, then we look at the chart now. What else are we seeing here apart from the zone? So apart from the zone, we are seeing an order block and we are seeing a bearish engulfing candlestick, of which is going to act as our fair value gap also, FVG here. Let me do well and mark them out. So I'm first going to mark out our order block, which is there. So that is our order block. This red, the first red one or the last red candlestick here. So that is our selling order block or the bearish order block, guys. We have the bullish order block and the bearish order block. So this is our bearish order block. So we are also seeing a fair value gap. This big red candlestick that we are seeing here is a fair value gap. We term it a fair value gap. So let me make sure I do well to mark it out. Sorry. So this is our FVG. Our FVG. Then we are seeing here also our order block zone. So that is our order block. Order block. Guys, you'll be noting this down because you might be able to analyze for yourself and not me again or any other person. We have our zone here. We have our zone right here. So this was our buying zone, and we are seeing that the market is trending up, isn't it? We are seeing that the market is trending up. But what is preventing this? What is preventing us from buying now? We are seeing that the market has been trending up. So what is preventing us from continuing with our buys is this. We are seeing an order block. We are seeing a fair value gap. So if you see those two confluences, then you should just know that the market is about to do the opposite. So what is the opposite now of buying? So we are simply going to look for sales here. And why are we going to look for sales? This is simply the reason we wait for it to tap into the order block or to the fair value gap zone, and then we can be able to run down. So this is my projection and this is my analysis. After us finding that the market is to tap into this and we drop, we go lower again. Excuse me. So we go lower. We are seeing that when we go lower, nothing changes apart from few things. The few things that change here is where the order block had been drawn because of the time frame. So that is how they differ. It's according to the time frame. Just we are seeing it tapping. So we are sticking to our analysis. So we just wait to tap. We are seeing all this also is still the fair value gap, this candlestick. So let's wait for it to tap and then we can be able to sell. We are still on our analysis, remember. So let's go lower and see again. Lower. So once we go lower, we are seeing the same thing. We see the same thing happening. So, but are you going to wait for 1 hour in order to sell? No. So, what are we going to wait for? You look for other confluences here or other things that will determine this. If you are to draw our trend line, this is going to be it. But we cannot wait for 1 hour or for the candlesticks to complete in this in order for you to buy or sell. So what are we going to wait for if you are to enter in two sales on this? We just wait for it to break it. A retest is going to do the job and then we can be able to sell. Yes. So we shall not target this area again. We can even simply target this zone, of which that is going to give us how many pips. Let me see if you are to short. So guys, we just need to avoid greed here in order to make money in forex. So we are seeing all this. What is it? That this is 369 pips we are seeing here. This is it, 369 as you see target. Then our risk is here, 87 pips. But are you going to be able to risk this 87 pips? No. You will have to just lower this. You have to reduce on your stop loss. Yes. So once you get to know that you know how to analyze, then you'll be able to set your stop losses properly. I made a video about stop losses, so kindly go check it out and subscribe to the channel still. So after us getting all this, we are seeing the confirmation. We are still going for sales as our main or the daily buyers was saying. So we have to continue with our sales. Here now we have to go to 15 minutes. So what do we do in the 15 minutes time frame? We simply look for entries. What are those entries? After us finding all the pure eyes, the points of interest, then we just count 15 minutes, or even you can get your points of interest also in 15 minutes time frame. So as we were seeing that we are going for sales, so what are we going to do here? So here simply we shall, yes, so that is going to be it. You reduce on this. We just need to reduce on the size of this of our target. So let's just target this. So that is going to be our target. We are going to sell from there. Yes, as we are all aware, guys, tomorrow there's news. So trade with caution tomorrow, Wednesday. So trade with caution, guys. So this is our final result of our analysis. The final result of our analysis that we have just made. So kindly subscribe, guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to make more videos. It motivates me to make more videos for you guys. So now we have lowered or we have reduced on our stop loss, meaning we are waiting for we are supposed to lose 30 pips or this year. 30 pips now times the money that you are risking. That is why you will get now that is where you will get now your money that you are losing and what you are targeting. So our target is 115, as we are seeing here, 115 pips. So times your money that you are risking. I'm going to make a video about the correct lot sizes that you can use or how to calculate your risk and all that. So subscribe to the channel for you to stay tuned and informed. Subscribe, like the video and share. See you in the next video.